What's up, guys? We have a 2024 HD GMC 2500, which is the same thing as the Silverado 2500. Anybody who has these trucks, 1500, 35, 25, Silverado or GMC, we have 24, 25. We have the shock sensor add-on kits for them, and we also went ahead and got the alarm alert module. Anybody out of state, give us a call. We have the DIY kits prepped up, ready to go with the installation video for both things, the shock sensor and the alarm alert. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window, and you're gonna see that the alarm's gonna fire off. Open up your phone.
Vehicle alert.
There you go.
Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
Okay.
Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
So that's basically how it works. You don't have to get the alarm alert. You can always get the shock sensor alone, but if you want the full package to get an alert on your phone anywhere you are in the world, it also comes with GPS, but for security reasons, we're not going to show where the truck is at. You can always get the both devices. If you're in Miami, Homestead, Fort Lauderdale, we do come out to you. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is the factory add-on to the shock sensor and the module to receive the alert in your phone for this vehicle right here, for this truck. We do sell the kits again out of state. Don't worry, give us a call and we ship it to you. We're already come prepped up, and we'll come with a nice installation video perform exactly in the same truck. So you just follow the video and hook it up. It's a full wire hookup. We try to make it as easy as possible. We never had anybody who wasn't able to complete the installation.